better and better. When it's written 180 degrees, then it's perfect. That means it's about 125 degrees angle to the channel, which is perfect.
That was a lot of fun. Yeah, the wind's picking up quite nicely now. I just peaked 43.5 on that run. And yeah, just need to fill in some of those little lulls in the middle, and I think we'll be cranking a lot faster. The angle needs to be, I think, another 10 to 15 degrees, you know, around towards the east, you know. It's sort of, right now, it's sort of sitting at about 190, it needs to be about 170, I think. And then it'll be great.